Ooh, girl. Are we rolling? Are we rolling? Let's get into this chit chat. Get ready with me because I have a lot to talk about.
Oh, baby. No.
Okay, so I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna keep getting ready while I do this video because, you know, it's another one of those little FaceTime chatting up with your girl type video. Okay, this is gonna be a very chatty get ready with me. So first off, how are you guys doing? Well, you guys are doing amazing. Okay, I'm doing amazing. Thank you so much for asking. I literally am still, I guess you can say I'm still on like a high from, wait, that sounds bad, but you know what I mean. I'm still like going through the motions after releasing my testimony video. Now, I literally did not think that one, I would get any type of love on that video because it is a Christian video, and I feel like a lot of people don't really tune into Christian content like they say they would. So when I first posted it, I was like, I don't know if the girls are gonna eat this up, but y'all did. Okay, y'all did. And I noticed in the past that whenever I talk about our Lord and Savior, the video with a lot of attention, and I should have thought right then and there that I should keep continuing. But after my Esther fast video, for some odd reason I stopped. Like, I don't know why, but I did. I think it was because like I didn't feel like, honestly, I didn't feel comfortable, I didn't feel confident enough to make more Christian content, and that's why it took like 4 to 5 months for me to make another Christian video. Okay, and after posting that video, I really experienced like the this blush this blush, I love blush, but like, Lord, I really experienced like the fruitfulness of spreading the gospel, if that makes sense. Like, literally not too long after I posted my testimony video, I went to work and I literally had the most like eye-opening faith talk with my coworker. And you would think that I would get more for spreading the gospel, which is a really weird way to think, but go off. But I had the most eye-opening talk with her, and it helped me like grow my faith in a way, like to really understand that like I don't have to do X, Y, and Z that the Christian religion requires you to do in order to have a relationship with God. Now, I do everything to please God, don't get me wrong, but I think I'm just sick and tired of like trying to please people, if that makes sense. Like, you can question the things you want to question. There's nothing wrong with that. Like, everybody has questions that they have for God, and you have every right to question that. If you're having a moment where you're like questioning a certain thing the Lord is doing in your life because you're scared or whatever, child, you can literally question it. You can literally go to God and ask him like, girl, what's going on? What is this? And he will clearly answer you. And that was also a part of the discussion that I had with my coworker. Like, for some reason, a lot of people act like questioning like the way God moves is like an issue, which it's not. It's actually very human to do, because God could be putting you in a place where like you're so scared, you don't know what's going on and things like that, and that's normal. That is perfectly normal. Just talk to the Lord about it and move on, child. Move on, because we also don't want to give the enemy too much, okay? Because he will do a number on you, or try to do a number on you in your season of confusion, okay? Besides that, the testimony video, y'all, the testimony video also made me want to like branch out and do more. I am moving out real soon for college, which I will get into in a little bit, but I'm moving out and I just want to like not start fresh, but create new things. Like, I'm yearning for some change, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I really want to like diversify my channel, you know, create different content, and even do something like so big as to like have like a sit down, really well produced like mini talk show on here or something, you know. Not exactly a podcast, because if you're OG, you know the whole podcast dealio with me. Oh my god, oh my god, bro. Literally, if y'all don't know, I used to have a podcast. I created my podcast when I was very worldly, and it obviously did not do good because it was a very like concentrated market, I guess. This would, unfortunately, if we're being really honest, but yeah, the podcast didn't do so well. I tried to rebrand. No, I think the Lord was just like, yeah, no podcast for you. So yeah, that's my short story. That's my very, very short story. But anyways, yeah, I want to branch out and do like crazy content. Like, maybe one day like rent a space and, you know, have guests on and just talk about different topics. Like, that sounds so fun to me. So fun. But yeah, after my testimony video, I'm just in a space where I'm realizing that there is no being realistic when it comes to my goals and dreams, especially when I seek the Lord first. Like, he will literally put everything into place, everything, as long as I show him, hey, I'm working towards something and I really need your help. The Lord will not bless a 5-year-old with a car, okay? Think about it like that. He will not bless a 5-year-old with a car. So what makes you think that you're gonna get a blessing when you are nowhere near prepared for it? Sorry if I struck a nerve, but it's the truth. It is literally the truth. So yeah, that's basically my little update after my testimony video. I do, of course, plan on making more Christian content. Don't get it twisted, okay? Don't get it twisted. I will be making more Christian content. I just, you know, need to follow in the Lord's timing, not my own, okay? Now, you know how every girl talk video, every like chit chat get ready with me, I literally act like I will never be a lover girl. Now, let me finish my statement. Because don't get all excited. Don't get all excited, okay? So basically, recently I started talking to somebody, right? Don't get excited. I told you to not get excited. Do not get excited. Do not get excited. Started talking to somebody and I very quickly got what the kids these days call the ick. Very quickly. Very quickly. And the reason why I got the ick very quickly was because, see, this is also how amazing God is, because in my head, I was like, I have really high standards. Like, the enemy was like, oh girl, you're not gonna find nobody with those qualities, because this isn't build a man. Like, it's very hard to find a man with those qualities. Now, this person showed me that yes, I might have like high standards, but I need to keep them. I'm not about to change my standards because I want attention or I'm trying to make somebody become my kingdom spouse. No, I'm not doing that, like, at all. And I haven't fully cut this person off, but I'm just gearing up the strength to cut this person off because I have standards and this person is not meeting my standard. Now, you're probably like, Aaliyah, you guys have probably been talking for 2 seconds. You can't already know that. I do know that because there's something called discernment. So, right when I started talking to this person, I was like, oh, okay, I'm just gonna, see how this goes. Literally the first day I started talking to him, he showed me very quickly that I don't think he's a person for me, okay? Because I'm just gonna explain to y'all like my must-haves, I guess. So the person must be a man of God, not a boy of God, not a church boy, a man of God. I need a man of God. I need someone that's family oriented or tries to be family oriented, because trust me, like, I don't have the most perfect family either, so I understand. I want someone that goes to the gym, that honors their vessel, that's full of love, full of light, that's funny, that's creative, like all things of the Lord, if we're being completely honest. Like, I just want a true man of God. True man of God. And this person revealed to me that this person is not a man of God. And a lot of people act like you can't detect if someone's following the Lord or not. You can, very quickly. Like, to the point where, like, I kind of feel like this person was taking me away from God. Like, and this person will only like text me at night as well, so that's also another ick. Like, I truly don't want to be with somebody that pulls me away from God and that's like only focused on looks. And then also another like thing I have with me is, if you want to take me out and you say if we can hang out, I don't like that. Now, mind you, oh my god, I love this lip oil. Now, mind you, I am only 17, okay? I'm about to be a freshman in college, and you can say that I'm an old lady, okay? You can say that I'm super duper traditional and like old school, but I am to a certain extent. Don't ask me if you can hang out. Ask me on a date. Ask me if you can take me out. Like, I feel like that's clear. That's clear. It's clear. It's clear as day. Like, I think that's also another reason why I'm like waiting on truly dating, because people my age or even like a year or two older move like they're little kids. Like, I don't like it when dudes drink, smoke, stuff like that. And once again, I'm 17, so yeah, child. So all in all, update on relationships. I have standards, and my standards are staying high because the Lord literally showed me, like, if you want to bend your standards, this is the possibility of what you're gonna get. And I was like, oh, no, there's no way. There's no way. Should we do some highlighter? Anyways, yeah. And then the second to last thing I want to talk about, because you know, it's a chit chat get ready with me. Like, we're not just about to sit here and just stare at each other. Is like my update on my fitness. Like, girl, I literally, if you have known me for a minute, you would know I used to be a skinny mini. I truly struggled with like eating and working out a few years ago. Now I'm like, who is she? And I'll be sure to put up some progress pictures and stuff like that, because I need y'all to understand why I'm like, that's a lot too. Oh my god, this highlighter is so powerful. What is going on? But yeah, I'm really so proud of myself. Like, I'm so proud of my progress. Like, it's giving, it's giving muscle mommy for real. Like, I am just so happy. And I also, in the next coming month, I obviously want to do like a gym content. I'm so excited. I'm really so excited. But that probably won't come for like another like month or two. So wait on it, okay? Wait on your girl. And then the tippy tip, but the last thing I want to talk about is, you know, your girl, like I said in the beginning, your girl is going off to college. So prepare for the college content. And mind you, I leave for school in September, and it's literally late July, and I haven't bought anything. People are posting their little like dorm piles, and I don't have a dorm pile. So we need to get on that. Possibly together? Possible? I'll think about it if I don't procrastinate so bad, bro. So bad. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video, okay? This little chit chat get ready with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other videos you want from me. Possibly some back to school content. I don't know. Your girl's working a lot, so you will have to wait on me. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you lovelies later.